Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And you know what? I heard this name before, and I want Alice to introduce this guy a little bit more here on ICRT because he's a very famous musician. 有一位很优秀的一个音乐人啊，其实以前就听过了，一直都没有听到你介绍他，所以我想要多听听他的这个事迹，这样子。对，刘少熙是不是？
刘少熙。
刘少熙。OK。
因为他講佢19歲開始是可以教音樂嘅，就玩音樂。
19歲，就19歲。Oh, so he started tapping into the music industry when he was 19. That's pretty young. Especially during that time, that's probably about 20 years ago or so. 这个可能在20几年前的事情了，对不对？哈，然后听说那个时候他其实有参与很多，其实我自己也非常深爱的一些歌手的编曲啊，比如说尤克里里啦，Ukulele, that was a duo back in the 90s, really really famous. 范晓萱啊，还有孟庭苇啊等歌手他们的编曲他都有参与，所以他是一个多方位的一个这个音乐人。
错，
那样，
还有他有担任配乐啊。
配乐 ，OK, so he does a lot of soundtracks as well. And in 2003, I believe he also earned a couple of Golden Melody Awards. 听说在2003年金曲奖上面呢也有这个得到一些奖项。
有啊，有得过金曲獎。
金曲獎 Okay, that's the Golden Melody Awards, which is the equivalent to the Grammys here in Taiwan. And there is one particular album, it's called 嘻哈課。
嘻哈哈，
嘻哈哈 Okay, what's very interesting about this title is because 嘻哈，其实嘻哈听到第一个想到是 Hey yo, what's up? Check one, check two. 这是嘻哈 hip hop 嘛。可是因为刚好嘻哈課这个課呢，刚好跟客家的客一样，哈嘎的，它其实是说就是要喜欢哈卡的东西。
因为做的音乐吼，懂得做的跳舞啊、电子舞曲啊、天字舞曲那种，就是不用跳舞。
Oh, and that of course earned him a couple of Golden Melody Awards. Anyways, I just thought because we are a music station, we should talk more about musicians, especially Hakka musicians. And actually, we have a lot of information about Hakka musicians on our website as well. All you got to do is log on to www.icrt.com.tw. But anyways, hope you learned a little bit more about Liu Shaoxi.
Liu Shaoxi.
Liu Shaoxi. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么台嘎？
案子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.